How to fix your Instagram voice message not playing on your iPhone. So if you want to fix your Instagram voice messages not playing on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, your voice messages might not be playing on your iPhone. Once you check that, you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and then go with general. Now under general, you need to scroll down and then go with iPhone storage. Once you tap on it, it will take you to a new page where you have to scroll down again and tap on the Instagram option. After opening your Instagram, you need to tap on offload application. After offloading the app, you need to wait for a few seconds, and then you will have an option of reinstall app. You need to just simply tap on reinstall, and after reinstalling the application, your problem might be fixed. Or another solution for you is to go back to your settings and go with the option which is screen time. Once you find screen time, tap on it and then scroll down a bit, and you will find the content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it, and if you scroll down from the content and privacy restrictions, you will find an option of microphone. Tap on it and make sure that your Instagram has allowed the microphone access. If not, then just simply go and allow the access and it will automatically fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.